good morning ma. I'm your Navya teacher. How are you all? I hope all you're fine and safe. Okay, are you watching the videos, children? Okay, let's enter into our workbook part. All of you take out your EVS workbook. We already enter into the 6th lesson workbook part. Now shall we recall it? Okay children. All of you take out your workbook and open the page number 27. We recall the first page. Okay. Page number 27. EVS workbook, page number 27. Here is a multiple choice questions. What can we see in the day sky every day? What can we see in the daytime? Tell me. In the sky, what we see in the daytime? Yes, we see the sun. We see the sun in the daytime in the sky. Next one, which is the first part of the day? How many parts of the day, children? A day has 3 parts. Morning, afternoon and evening. Okay, how many parts, children? Day has 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? One is morning and another one is afternoon and the last one evening. Okay, these are the 3 parts. And what is the first part? What is the first part of the day? Yes, morning is a first part. So here you write morning. Okay, next one. Day is. How is the day? Day is very bright. Day is very bright and also warm. Day is bright and warm. Next one, we can see the moon and stars in the. When we see the moon and stars in the daytime. No, we didn't see the stars and the moon in the daytime. We see the moon in the night time. Which one we see? We see the sun in the daytime, but we see the stars and moon in the night time. We see the so many stars in the night time. Okay, and we also see the moon, round shape moon, different shapes every day, changing their shape. The moon is every day changing his shape. Okay, next one. Very short answer question. See children, which is the last part of the daytime? I already told you. Day has 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? Morning, afternoon and evening. So what is the last part here? Evening. Evening is the last part. What is the first part? Morning. Morning is the first part. Afternoon is the middle part. And evening is the last part of the daytime. Okay. Next one. Next one, children. How does the sky look during daytime? How does the sky looks during daytime? Tell me. How does the sky looks during daytime? The daytime, the sky is very blue in color. Blue in color. Next one, short answer questions. Circle the picture of the night sky. Here you see children. Here he gives the 2 pictures. What is the night sky? One is the daytime and another one is the night time. So second one is the night picture. So circle the second picture. Okay. Next one. What can you see in the sky at night? What can you see in the sky at night time? We can see the sky in the. Tell me. We can see the moons and stars in the sky at the night time. Okay. Next one. Write S for Y and N for no. Okay. See children. If the answer is right, you have to say S. S means you have to say Y. Okay. If the sentence is wrong, you have to say no. No means you have to say N. Okay. The sun shines brightly at night. The sun shines brightly at night time. No, the sun shines brightly, very brightly at morning time, afternoon time. Okay. So this is a wrong sentence. So we have to say Y. Okay. Next one. The sun rises in the morning. When does the sun rise? Children, when does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning or evening? The sun rises in the morning time. The sun rises in the morning time. Next one, it becomes dark at night. Yes, in the night time it becomes very dark. Okay, and cool also. So this is a correct sentence. We have to write Y. Okay, we have lunch in the night. When we eat lunch in the night time, no, we didn't eat lunch in the night time. We eat lunch in the afternoon time. When we eat Tell me children, when we eat lunch? Yes, we eat lunch at the afternoon time. When we eat, what we eat in the night time? We have to take dinner or supper. Okay, we have to take dinner or supper in the night time. So this is a wrong sentence or correct sentence? Yes, this is a wrong sentence. So you have to write N. Okay. Next one, short answer questions. Which colors do we see in the sky during sunset? See children, 28 page number 12. Question number 12. So put your finger on the 12th one. Okay. WHICH, which colors? COLOURS colors. Do we, DO do, WEV, SEEC, IN, THE the, SKY sky, during, DURING during, sun, SUN sun, SET set, sunset. Which colors do we see in the sky during sunset? Which colors we are seeing? We are seeing orange, red. We are seeing orange, red. So here you write orange. ORANGE, orange. RED, red. Orange, red. So here you write orange. ORANGE, orange. RED, red. Okay, we see the, in the sunset time we see the orange, red colors. Orange, red color. Okay. In the sunrising time also, we are seeing the orange, red. In the sunset time also we are seeing orange, red colors. Next one, what happens after sunset? After sunset, the sky becomes very dark and cool. When the sun goes, the sky becomes very dark. The sky becomes very dark and cool. So here you write, it becomes dark. 13th one, it becomes, BECOMES becomes. All of you read and write children. it BECOMES becomes, BECOMES comes, becomes, it becomes dark, DARK, dark. All of you read and write. Like this you have to read, okay? DARK, dark. Dark, THE the night. NIGHT night. The night begins. BEGINS begins. It becomes dark. The night begins. THE the NIGHT night. BEGINS begins. It becomes dark. The night begins. After sunset, the sky becomes very dark. The sky becomes very dark. The night begins. The night time begins. Okay. THE the NIGHT night begins. BEGINS begins. All of you note down children. Note this. It becomes dark. The night begins. Okay. Next one, multiple choice questions. What gives us heat and light? Who gives us heat and light? Moon gives us heat and light? No. Stars gives us heat and light? No. Who gives us? Yes, sun gives us heat and light. Okay. Without sun we can live. Without sun it becomes very dark. So, without sun we can't live. Without light we can't live. So, which one? 14th one. Sun. SUN, sun. So, here you write B. B is the sun. In this box you have to write B children. What gives us heat and light? Sun gives us heat and light. So, here you write B. Okay. Next one. What helps us to see things around the sky at daytime? What helps us to see? Sunlight or moon? In the daytime we have used the sunlight to see the things. Without sunlight we can live. No, without sunlight it becomes very dark. So by using sunlight we are seeing the things in the daytime. In the night time, how we are seeing? We are using the lights. We are using the lights. So in the daytime we are using sunlight. So here you write 15th one. Sunlight, SUN, sun, LIGHT, light. Where is sunlight? Yes, A is the sunlight. A is the sunlight. So here you write in this blank here. In this blank you have to write A. A is the sunlight. S-U-N sun. L-I-G-H-T light. By using sunlight we are seeing the things. Okay. Next one. Short answer questions. Short answer questions. Which of the following appears in different shapes? Tick the correct picture. When does it appear in the sky? Okay, see children. Who changes the shape? Who changes the shape? We see the moon. Yes, moon in different shapes. Every day moon changing the shape. For example, one day like this and one day small. One day like this. Okay. One day like this. Okay. After like this. So the moon is changing the shape. Every day the moon is changing shapes. So which of the following appears different shapes? Different shapes means moon. Moon appears in different shapes. Take the correct picture. What is the picture? The sun or the moon? Yes, the moon appears at the different shapes. And next one, when does it appear in the sky? When we see the moon in the sky? When we see? In the night time. In the night time we are seeing the moon. So all of you take the picture, the moon, and the next one you have to write the night time. Which one? 16th one. T-H-E the M-O-O-N moon. So you have to take moon. Okay. And the next one answer. Write on the answer. When we see the moon? At night. N-I-G-H-T night. Full stop. At night we are seeing the moon. Okay. The moon is appears different shape. And when we see the moon? At night. Okay. Turn the page children. All of you turn the page. Which of the following is the furthest from us? Tick the correct picture. Do they appear in different shapes in the sky? Which is the furthest from us? Tell me children, which is the furthest from us? The stars or the moon or the sun? Tell me, which one is the furthest? Which one is very long to us? Yes, the stars is very long, very far from us. So the stars are very far from us. So tick the stars. The stars are very far from us. The stars are very far from us. Okay. And the answer is and the stars are very far from us. And do they appear in different shapes in the sky? The stars are changing their shape. No, the stars didn't change their shape. So here you write no. N-O, no. The stars didn't change their shape. The stars are constant, but the moon changes their shape. Moon changes its shape. The stars didn't change. So here you write no. Okay. Here you have homework children. Short answer question. Here is the homework. Short answer question. Draw a rainbow and color it. You have to draw the rainbow. Okay, you have to draw the rainbow. You know rainbow. When does the rainbow forms? You know children, when does the rainbow forms? When the raindrops. When the raindrops are. See children, here is the sun and this is the sunlight. Here are the raindrops. When does the sunlight fall on the raindrop? The rainbow is forms. Okay, the rainbow is forms. Do you understand children? When does this is the sun. This is the sunlight. When does the sunlight falls on the raindrop? The rainbow is formed. The rainbow is formed. So this is a formation of rainbow. And you have to draw the rainbow. Here he gives a box. Page number 30, he gives the box. Now you have to draw the rainbow. Okay. How should you draw? Draw the 7 lines. How many colors to the rainbow? 7 colors. How many colors? 7 colors. So you have to use 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to use 7 colors and draw the rainbow. Okay. This is your homework, children. Tomorrow I will check. Okay. All of you show your. Tomorrow I will see your textbooks. No, sorry ma. Tomorrow I will see your workbooks. Okay. I will check it. So you have to draw the rainbow. Okay. Use 7 colors and draw the rainbow. How is the rainbow formed? When the sunlight falls on the raindrop, a rainbow is formed. Okay. This is the process. So you have to draw the rainbow. Page number 30 and draw the rainbow. This is your homework. Tomorrow I will meet you, children. Bye. You have to do your homework. Okay.